Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, remote start, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, heated seats, power lift gate, Bose sound system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, remote vehicle start. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback